Hey folks, cool day across the valley. Temperatures staying in the low to mid 70s, even upper 60s in a lot of places. The island topped out at 69 this afternoon after a morning low of 63. Everybody else a little bit warmer than that throughout the day, but not a lot. If you look at our dew point, it's come up a little from yesterday, but still definitely in the comfortable range, averaging about 50 or so across the area. So we're right in here, which is still pretty nice. It'll gradually come up as we head into the rest of the week, but still, again, pretty comfortable out there. Forecast lows tonight. It'll be a cool night once again. Take a jacket with you. Upper 50s across the region. The beach will bottom out again around 63. And then tomorrow we're about like today, mid 70s. That's about it. But the places that didn't quite make 70 today probably will tomorrow. But that's going to be about it. A little beyond things for another day or so. We do expect Thursday to be a little warmer and Friday to be a lot warmer. Look at that. By Friday, we're back up close to 90 again. So the cool days of this week will be behind us by the time we get to the end of the week and the weekend. The normal for this time of year is about 80. Not much going on our radar today. Relatively quiet day. This is what we're seeing on Future Track. It suggests that there could be a spotty shower this evening, but I don't think we're going to see much at all. And then tomorrow's mostly cloudy, maybe some breaks, but not many. The afternoon sky may brighten a little bit like it's done, especially in the western part of the valley today. That's probably not going to happen on Thursday. I think things are going to thicken up on Thursday as the moisture flow comes back in off the Gulf of Mexico. That brings some clouds in, probably a couple of showers, but nothing widespread, just a sprinkler or two around the area. Then let's go to Friday. I think Friday looks a little brighter. Still some clouds, but I think there'll also be some sunshine, especially the second half of the day in the western part of the valley. But still a lot of clouds, just a few breaks maybe again on Friday. Rain chances, I don't see anything tomorrow. 20% on Thursday, and then we're back to dry again on Friday. So just those isolated showers around the region on Thursday. That ought to be about it. Rest of Texas, it's warmed up nicely in Austin, 70. San Antonio as well. Get north of that, a little bit cooler across the northern part of Texas in the 60s up there. Here's your satellite. This is the high resolution GOES 16, we call this. And this shows the clouds that were there last night and this morning clearing out across a lot of the state. And this little streamer of clouds going across the middle of Texas. But for the most part, it has been a dry day across the state. And Future Track indicates high pressure builds in by tomorrow, almost on top of us. So that's kind of when we peak in terms of this air mass. And then once it goes to the east, then we start to get the southeast wind back in. That brings the moisture back in. That brings a few clouds back in, and again, probably a couple of sprinkles on Thursday. By Friday, the high moves away. Cool front moves into the state, but that cool front is not destined for us. Notice it went north instead of south. It doesn't quite have enough push to get our direction, so it's not going to get here. Another front, though, probably Monday late, maybe early Tuesday. That one could bring some slight cooling for early next week, but we're going to warm up a lot before we get to that slight cooling. So tonight, 56 for a low, mostly cloudy, a cool night. Then tomorrow back up to 75, mainly cloudy, maybe some late day breaks, maybe a little brightening in the sky. Again, your high tomorrow, 75. 77 Thursday with about a 20% chance of rain. Friday, we're getting warm, 89. Saturday, we're hot, 91. Still hot Sunday, hot again on Monday. Late Monday front, a little cooler, 84 by Tuesday, still warmer than what it's going to be most of this week. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.